Welcome to Da Nang, welcome to another beautiful Khe Beach walking tour here. Let's see how it looks. The ocean is perfect again. We're gonna take a stroll now here. This is Khe Beach. Right, whenever you see the Muang Thang building, you know you are right. The Muang Thang Hotel with the arches and a little bit ugly apartment building that next to it. Then you know you're here at the Khe Beach. It's super hot again. It's hot, a little bit of a breeze, but still very. Oh, look at this. He's cheating on me. Hey, why you cheat on me? And you never invite me. You never invite me, man.
Mr. Sammy, what's up, bro? Hello.
Hello. Look at these two Vietnamese Germans living life here, huh?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Oh. We are ranting about Germany.
Oh, okay. That's the typical thing to do. Have a seat. I will. Right, guys, I just had a nice little talk. And now we continue the beautiful walk. But first, we're gonna throw away the free green tea. Whenever they start building this, maybe in 5 years there's gonna be a huge mega complex over there. That would be so interesting to see. That would be awesome. Look at this, there's another construction site over there. Oh, I actually would love to see how everything looks here in 5 years. Maybe they're gonna have a bridge or underpass, I don't know, maybe a bridge would be nicer. Maybe a bridge from one of the big hotels that leads directly into the beach with an escalator. That would be awesome. Maybe Nobu will have it. This is the place where all the companies doing their team building events. Very active here. If you're working for a Vietnamese company, be aware. You can't be lazy. They always tell you to dance, to do fitness or some group classes or these team building events. It's very active, no matter which area of business you're working at. Even banks have like Zumba things and group classes. It's getting busier on the beach. And it's not busy because it's only, I think, Western tourists or maybe Eastern Europeans. Because Asians usually not in the sun, especially at noontime. It's also pretty dumb to do. Just like me, walking around at that time. I definitely gonna seek some shade. The sun is very strong, guys. Don't stay too long in there. Gonna be a lot of sunburns here, simultaneously here. So that's the beach part, guys. Khe. But the ocean is fantastic. It's nice and calm. If you go a little bit deeper inside, it's all very good. Even if you're not a good swimmer, I think this is now a safe spot. But still, stay in the designated areas. It's not rough sea at all. Yeah, it is a nice summer week again. It's hot, but it's not too hot, to be honest. Sip and style Da Nang. What is that about? This part of the beach looks even better. Let's go there. This looks so nice at the moment. Check this out, guys. Nice and calm. Whew. It's getting hot. It's very wise to go inside during that time. During that hours, should be inside in an AC place, either at home or in a coffee shop. So many coffee shops. Or you find a very nice little corner where it's not so, where there's a nice little breeze going on and it's not that much of a direct sun. Whew. That looks so funny. Yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. It's free. And check out this video here and see you in the next one.